repair a slight gash in foam insulation. Your foam insulation is normally 2 inches thick with a white mastic coating. In this case, what we want to do is we want to make sure all the looseness is out of it so that nothing would impede the other foam going in there when we reapply it. I like to use a plastic putty knife to be able to put the foam in and then lay it over it and kind of smooth it out as I'm filling it in. So what we'll do is we'll fill it in with the foam and smooth it out as it expands to go in and fill it in. Now, it's not going to be exactly the way the tank looks. You're never going to get that unless you actually hire a professional to do it. But in this case, it will seal your gash, and then you can paint over it, and it will seal the foam so that you don't have water running through it. All right, so what we have here is we have great stuff. Gaps and cracks is what I use personally because it works the best. A lot of times it's best to spray it and give it a minute so it expands and then smooth it out. As you can see, most of it is filled in just from your spatula, or excuse me, your putty knife running across it. Filling in the smaller areas. And if it's too big, we can go back and trim that. That's not a problem. Now we just want to give it time to expand and contract and then go back over the areas that need it. All right, so what we did here is we took a bread knife and we used a flat against the tank wall surface, and we actually trimmed it so that we could get that flat aesthetics. Okay, now obviously there's still a gap here, so what we do at this point is go back and fill this in, let it dry out, and then you'd be able to paint it over. All right, just fill it and let it dry, and you can smooth it down as well. And then paint over it.